I'm sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
Alright guys, so it's going to be all kinds of speed in this video. So first vehicle is a truck. More than likely it's not speed, but I mean it looks pretty nasty. I mean, let's be real. To burn both tires like that, I don't know if you guys witness a lot of trucks, they usually do one wheel pill, so I'd assume that has some power. It's a C6, it's fast, but this is crazy. Dude gets out, covers it up. I respect the respect for the car, you could say, but that's a little much. This dude probably has every receipt down to like air fresheners for this car. This, I mean, it's a Mopar. Usually they're not fast, but with that tire in the back says otherwise. This right here is probably very true for a lot of local girls, especially in my area. You're probably saying, oh, that's not fast. So that thing probably weighs 6,000 pounds. That's moving pretty good for a legit anchor.
Ready to go to the word? You go. You go.
Thank you so much.
And his girlfriend's recording it. Probably ex now.
Thank you for being so dumb. What?
Rally car drivers are different breeds, like 100-mile-an-hour around turns like nobody's business. Yeah, that means business. This Mustang was fast, and I said was, because look, watch. Definitely not fast no more. And the announcer, alright. One-way ticket to blow your Hellcat up. I mean, nitrous and a S550, that's fast. Pro Trunch at 1,000 horsepower, that's stupid fast. Drifting the Hellcat, this is not a real video here, guys, if you are watching. And guys, my YouTube editors. I would love to see that camera that dude just got, or the picture that dude just got. This R33, probably the best selling car on here, and I'm a big LS fanboy, but something about this thing sounds incredible. This thing sounded sick too, but had some copyright issues because of the music in the background, so can't have that in the background. Unfortunate. That is nasty. Almost too nice to be driving in public. This little Audi right here sounds pretty incredible, if I do say so myself. A little anti-lag, launch. Granted, it is front-wheel drive. Oh, it might be all-wheel drive, actually. I think it's all-wheel drive. Impressive.
Oh, great heavens!
Yeah, that's something there. Hope you guys enjoyed this new video. Until next time, peace out.